Essentially, we have the core of the DogWatch hidden fence system right here, discreetly integrated right onto the wall of the garage here. We have down below here an interlink with the radio signal as a surge protector. We then have this heavy gauge copper cable that we just take out of the garage area here through this small 3/8 inch hole that we incorporated through the sidewall of the garage, and see, then that'll connect back to here. There's certainly nothing about the hidden invisible fence that attracts lightning activity to the vicinity of a home, but we want to make sure that we're maximizing the uptime, reliable operation of the fence for our dogs. So we ground these externally through a ground rod that we install outside that integrates the surge suppression component's maximum benefit. Keep this operational, don't have any damage to this. These are lifetime warranty electronic systems, so if there are issues ever, it is a manufacturer warranty supported through us here locally, which we've been doing through the 23 years we've been in the market. So they're all powered by small AC adapters, so they're really a very low voltage. The green light over here to the right indicates on the boundary fence how far is it approximately from the wire to the actual collar activation. We want to make sure, again, from a reliability standpoint, we give our dogs sufficient time if they were to be running after that rabbit or going to greet that other dog, that upon the collar activation, they have a significant amount of distance, not huge, 5 feet or so, to get the momentum stopped and reliably get back into their yard, staying safe at home at all times. If that wire were to ever become damaged or broken, one of the benefits to our system as well, which I'll simulate here once again, would be that wire. It were to inadvertently get damaged or broken, you notice the green light goes out. We then have an audible alarm to forewarn you that the dog's boundary area has been damaged. The radio signal is not there, it's not intact. Okay? And then of course we clean this up. All the wiring will be securely and nicely snugly placed as it runs down to the outlet and the internal grounding system, external grounding as well. So what I've done here is gotten the machine run across the front of the ground in the yard here, putting the wire down about 4 inches or so. It does just a nice, real clean 3/8 wide groove, and the feeder blade drops the wire down into it. Once we get to the edging areas of a grassed area, we actually dig out on each side of this so that our wire can then be placed right snugly, neatly, cleanly underneath that edging. As I'd move into the landscape material areas, whether it be wood, bark, or rock, things of that nature, what we do in that case is we'll just be moving this out of the way, as it's very common that these areas will have some sort of weed barrier. We're not going to come in and rip all of this up just to put in our DogWatch hidden fence wire. Rather, we move the material out of the way, exposing the weed barrier, secure the wire to this weed barrier, and then simply move the materials back over, thus, again, hidden away for us.